If you'd like to see how I'm going to use these products and transform this very plain clear phone case into this lovely Decoden bright colorful fun case, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be working on some Decoden cell phone cases. So I have been researching this for quite some time, and here is the cell phone case that I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's like a flexible plastic case, and this particular case is for an iPhone 12 Pro. So I am going to, before I even get started, I'm going to take my scissors and just kind of score the case so that the things that I'm sticking to it stay. So I'm going to do that. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have some silicone here. I have two different kinds because the videos that I watch, they use either or. I have white and I also have clear. So what I'm going to be doing is adding some colorants. I have some mica powders here. I have my plastic cups so I can stir them up. I have a piping bag. I have the little coupler adapter, and I have the tip to go to my piping bag. And this is stuff that you can get on Amazon. And then I also have my caulk gun. This came from, all of this came from Home Depot. I don't know if it's because the brands or not, but this DAP fast dry, this one was only about $3 or $4. But this GE Supreme silicone was about $10. So I'm going to use both. I don't think I'm going to use both in this video. I think I'm going to just start with the white. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to take this white silicone and I'm going to put it inside of the silicone gun. I'm pointing to show you that there is a cutter on this particular silicone gun, or caulk gun I believe it's called, and it made it so easy I didn't have to use my scissors on it. Now what I'm going to do is push back this little lever. I had to watch a video to figure out how to do this. I was lost. Push back that lever, pull back that the metal bar, and then you fit your caulk silicone right into the gun, and then you release the lever, and now you're ready to go. So once you start to pump on it, it comes right out nice, smooth, and easy. So I'm going to start out by just pumping about, I think I did about, let's see, 3, 4, 5. I did about maybe 8 pumps. I didn't know exactly how many I needed for sure, but I'd rather have a little bit more than less. So here I am adding my mica powder. You can get mica powder on Amazon, eBay, get it online. Just make sure that when you're stirring it, you could probably like wear a little face mask. You don't want to inhale any of the powder. Now you're just going to go ahead and stir that up, and if you want it to be a little darker, just add a little bit more. So this is some mica powder that I used with body butter. You can also use different mica powders with soaps and things of that nature. It's the same colorant. Some people also use a little pinch of acrylic paint, but you have to be careful because if you use too much, the caulk won't harden up. So I'm just stirring and stirring and stirring, and I have it the desired color that I want. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the coupler inside of the bag. Now I have seen people do this without using the coupler adapter. They just use the metal tip, piping tip by itself. So there are different ways you can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this bag into a bigger cup. The bags also came off Amazon. I'm going to put this into this huge cup. I'm going to go ahead and scoop this out. I should have had like an old metal spoon I don't care about because it was hard using this old little plastic spoon. So you want to scoop all that out. You don't want to waste anything. And later in the video, I'm going to show you an easier way to mix this up. So you could do it however, which way makes you comfortable. So I'm going to take it out of the bag and I'm going to push everything forward and make sure I don't have any air pockets. So I'm just going to do a little sample piping because you want to pump the air out. It might be like a little bit of air in there. You want to pump that out. Now, I'm new to this, so I'm just trying to get the hang of it. But from the videos I watched, you want to pump, drag, pump, drag, pump, drag. So that's what I was trying to do. Also, remember, there are so many different tips. This tip actually had like a smaller size to it. I actually want to get a bigger one because I want my little puffs to be bigger. Now, this does not have to be perfect. I've seen people just slather it on and then just do like the puffs or the piping around the edges. So there's many different ways that you can do this. So I was just trying to find my best angle, but I'm like, okay, it's not exactly how I thought it would be, but I'm getting there. So you're just going to see me go ahead and pipe this out onto the case. And remember, you want to scuff your case up because it makes it better to adhere to the case. This is like one of the softer cases. It's not a hard case. It's like really nice and soft. So you just want to make sure it's a little rigid with sandpaper, or just use some scissors like I did and just scuff it up. So I sped it up so you can kind of see, but you get the idea. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so forgive me if I'm saying the word wrong. Decoden, Decoden. I've heard it said both ways, but when I Googled it, it's Decoden. So as you get to the bottom, you want to leave a little bit of space. So to like close it off, you can kind of just go to the side with it. And when you do the last one, you can just kind of whip it in a circle so it doesn't look like it's an unfinished look. And you definitely can add glitter on here as well. Or you can add two-tone colors. There's like just so much that you can do with this. Now I'm going to start adding my little decoration. And every time I add something on, I'm going to put like a nice little glob there, kind of as a glue. It's not glue. It's like a fake glue, but it's still like an adhesive, whatever you want to call it. So the reason for this is because you don't want to kind of like smash it down into your design piping that you already have there. I've seen people do it both ways, but I feel like this way is a little more effective. So as you can see, I pre-puffed certain areas where I want to put the little decor on. And these cute little pieces, I just order stuff from different little places just so I can have things. So I like to get stuff off like Amazon, AliExpress, Temu. So you can find this cute little stuff on places like that. So I'm just going to place it on here, fill it up. I noticed that with the Decoden style, the more the merrier. Like the junkier and crazier it looks, the better it looks. And I guess that's just like the whole Kawaii style. It's just like over the top. But everything is just so bright and so pretty and so colorful, and it's just so busy, and I just love it. Now I decided at the last minute I wanted to add some glitter. I'm not sure how well that's going to stay on. I probably should have put the glitter on earlier in the game. It's not like it completely started to harden up, but because it does take a little bit of time for this to harden up. I think this case sat out for about 3 days before it was like really solid enough to like actually use. Now I put a little bit more little puffs so I can add on these little clay sprinkles. These clay sprinkles are cute, but I just had to gently push them onto the case to make them stay. And the clay sprinkles, I feel like just added a little extra, and I thought that was really cute. I'm also adding on some gems. Now with the Decoden style, I don't see much gems being used, but I wanted to add some to mine. Now here, I'm showing you a different way of mixing up your your cream glue instead of using the cup. Because I saw so many videos. I saw a girl do it this way. So I'm like, let me try it out. She put the silicone directly into the piping bag. And then she added her colorant to it. And she just kind of took the bag and just kind of smushed it around. Now, my bag ended up being kind of two-tone-ish. I guess I didn't get enough of the colorant towards the tip. But it's still fine. I thought I was going to do 2 cell phone cases. So much time had went past, I changed my mind. But I ended up letting my daughter use this to make a project. If you stay to the end, I'll show you what she ended up making. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this phone case. I think for my first time trying out the Decoden style, I think it turned out nice. I can't wait to do more colors. I can't wait to add on different decorations. I kind of feel like I probably should have did my first one white, because I used so much pink decor, and then that teddy bear, you really can't see it because I made that with like white and pink and red hearts. But I still think it's really cute. This is my first time dealing with this silicone stuff. Now, you can buy the cream glue already made. To me, it's on the expensive side, and the tubes are really, really little. So when I saw that people were making their own, I was like, okay, that's a no-brainer. And I have mica powders and stuff already. I had piping bags and stuff already. I had the tips already that I hadn't used from making body butters and stuff. So once you have them for the silicone, I would just use them strictly for silicone only. You know, just have separate things. But I like this, you guys. Let me know what you think. Would you make something like this? Have you done something like this before? Are you familiar with the Decoden style? Now, I am going to show you something so cute that my daughter made in this very next clip. Okay, you guys, so this is what my daughter made. Doesn't it look like some type of dessert or some type of cake or something? She made a Decoden pencil case. We picked this up from the Dollar Tree the other day, and she was gonna do a cell phone case, but then I was like, you know what if you did it on the pencil case you just brought? And she was like, yeah. She cannot wait till this dries out and hardens up so she could take it to school. I think this is so adorable, you guys. Let me know what you think. We just did the top of it. You can go down and do further on the sides if you want. That's completely up to you. And you can do as many different colors as you want, different themes and decor. I absolutely love this. And my youngest daughter, who is 3, she wants to make one. She has a smaller type of container that she got from Dollar Tree. She loves blue. So I'll probably redo another one on my channel, but it'll be like for my youngest daughter. So you guys, let me know what you think about this. And if you're going to try something like this, I'll have links to where you can buy everything from. Thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.